So now, apart from this agile methodology and everything, so whatever the challenging part, whatever the challenges you have faced till now, what are the challenging part for you till now? And what was the coordination you and with your manager? So it was good. Till today, I did never faced any challenge. If they will ask why you are living for, why you are looking for change, so you will say I'm working in BC, but changing reason is I'll say ki, because I'm working, my official time shift is work time is morning 9 a.m. to 7 p.m. But they are giving a work till 9 to 12 or 1, like 12 a.m. to 1 a.m. Means it's a kind of EST, IST to both. This is the main reason my coordination with manager is good, because this is not manager fault. This is none of them fault. This is a project is like this, and my client is very strict. So this is a thing, because in my team, so this is a thing. If they will ask something like this, or like, yeah, so that's why I'm changing the project now. Project changing reason is this only. In this project, I'm facing lots of challenging. So this is a problem. So now, whatever the technical challenge you have faced till now, अब technical challenge में इट्स अ क्वाइट स्ट्रेट फॉरवर्ड. जो टेक्निकल चैलेंज मैं आपको बता रहा हूँ, सबको पता है एसक्यूएल में हम कितने रिकॉर्ड को फैच कर सकते हैं सिंक्रोनसली. 50,000, राइट? इट्स अ गवर्नर लिमिट इज 50,000. But if I have a data more than 50,000, so what will happen? So we'll get one error. What error? Too many row found. It's 5001, right? So we'll get this exception. If we are getting this exception in the client, in the client directly, what will happen? Definitely they will not be satisfied with our work. Let's say challenging part is when you join the company, before you, there was a developer who built one product, one screen or a component or visual force page where you are more comfortable in LWC channel. Before 2 years, so they developed one product, one features, one requirement, or one project, anything. So what it was doing, so whenever you were opening the page, so it was displaying the list of records, 1 record, 2 record, 3 records, and everything. Even pagination was implemented there. Pagination means next button, previous button, next button. In the same page, we were displaying around 500 records on the single page. So clicking on next button, it was again 500, again 500, again 500. This was a things which was happening. But whenever all these records is coming from backend, from Apex class side, this is UI part. This is my UI part. So in the UI, there is an Apex class where I am writing the SOQL. So SOQL, when this product developed, so that time data was in the production, it was 20,000. After 2 years, so data is now 55,000 on the UI. Now, whenever client is going to UI, so data is definitely exceeding more than 50,000. Previously, data was 20,000. It was working fine. Now data is 55,000. Definitely more than 50,000. It is 5001. Exception is coming on the screen, and client is saying what is happening. So what you have done so far? So you got this email from the client side. Now scene was like this. So it was offshore and onshore model. Onshore directly blame to offshore, sorry. And your manager is directly saying to you, okay, Amarjit, so what is happening? I will say, sir, I did never work on this product. So this is not built by me. Even I'm not aware about this functionality. They will say, okay. So they will say, we need to resolve this issue as soon as possible. This is a challenging part for offshore. We need to resolve this issue as soon as possible. So please do something where we can show to client and where we can make them satisfied. So what can we do now? So if I'll do one thing, you can consider one thing. So we have multiple columns. This is a row and these are the columns. So if I'm displaying the list of records, so this is my name record list, the phone number, this is my email, this is my address, anything. Okay, so now it is displaying all the records. So if I now to resolve this issue, what I done, so I have built one input box for searching the employee code, some mobile number. I have created another mobile number search box. Here I have created another mobile, other like some email ID or some name or something like this. Multiple search box I have created. So whenever I'll click on the button, so these all are record, all these records by default it is showing by 500 only. It is returning 500 initially. Okay, so no, sorry, let me repeat. So it is returning around 50,000, like 55,000 again. Definitely we are not reducing anything, but what it will do, all these search boxes, it is a mandatory now. It is a mandatory now. Whenever we are loading the page, there is showing, please search some value from the list. So if I'm entering Amarjit, let's say there is a one record Amarjit, there is 50,000 record. Definitely all records will not exist from the Amarjit name only. It might be around 20 record, 50 record, 1000 records, 5,000 records, even not that much. It will be around 2, 3, 4, 5, something like this. मेरे नाम से कोई ज्यादा रिकॉर्ड्स नहीं होंगे. Even I have employee code. It will never be, let's say roll number, आप स्कूल में रहते रहे, कॉलेज में रहते रहे, आपका जो रोल नंबर वगैरह रहता था, it is not like this कि आपका same roll number is assigning to other student also, right? It is a unique. So if client is going there, it is searching your roll number. Definitely it is reducing the count of records. Previously it was returning like 55,000. Now it is returning one record only instead of 5,000. Definitely it is less than 50,000. So ये issue नहीं आएगा अपने को. आपने ये implement किया है. जो रोल नंबर वाला, लेट्स टेक एग्जांपल, आपने ये नेम आपने सर्च किया, आपने सर्च किया कि अमरजीत, एनी एक्सेप्शनल सिनेरियो लगा लो कि अमरजीत के आपके 50,000 से ज्यादा रिकॉर्ड आ गए. सो उस सिनेरियो में आपने क्या किया, यू हैव शोन द क्लाइंट, प्लीज ऐड सम मोर सर्च क्राइटेरिया. इफ इट इज गोइंग टू अराउंड 50,000 रिकॉर्ड, इट इज गोइंग टू मोर देन 50,000 रिकॉर्ड्स, आप कैलकुलेट करोगे मैथमेटिकली अपेक्स क्लास के अंदर. if it is going to more than 50,000 records, you are showing some custom error message on the UI. Please enter some more search criteria to find the details. तो वो क्या करेगा, अमरजीत के सारे रिकॉर्ड्स दिखा दिए. now they will go to mobile number or some email ID, they will search. Definitely it will reduce the count. If it is still not reducing, then again it is showing error message, please enter some more search criteria. So then it will enter in this one, it will make it filter out. ये filter condition आपकी तो कम होते जाएंगे, तो definitely it will reduce the count less than 50,000. जो सारा खेल है हमारा, ये हमारा सारे सर्च बुक्स पे है. हम काम कर यहाँ पे सर्च करेंगे तो रिड्यूस करेगा काउंट को, और SO12 जो रिटर्न करेगा डेफिनेटली इट विल रिड्यूस लेस देन 50,000 ओनली. ये आपका चैलेंजिंग पार्ट था जो आपने रिजोल्व किया है. इट्स अ क्विक फिक्स. क्लाइंट इज वेरी हैप्पी नाउ बिकॉज यू हैव रिजोल्व द थिंग्स वेरी क्विकली. समझ में आया? नहीं आया?
So what was that, like 50,000 initially? There were only like 20,000 in the client production
20, org. 20,000 means जब भी हमने, when we developed this product 2 years before, that time it was 20K records in the production that time.
Okay.
But after certain times, it's a CRM data, तो हमारा कहीं से भी आ सकता है, data बढ़ रहा है, it's increasing day by day. Now after 2 years, data is around 55K. When we developed this product, so we did never think कि ये data इतना भी पहुंच जाएगा. हमने नहीं सोचा था कि data will increase till 55K. Now this is the exceptional scenario we got it. So data is like our business पहले slow था, that time our business was very slow. Now our business is on boom. Customer is coming daily basis, like 5,000 records, like 500 record daily coming. So now it is increased to more than 50,000. So definitely ये approach पहले it was working fine, but now thing is 55K. It is unhandled by the SOPL queries. That's why we are getting the exception. समझ में आया? पूछो क्वेश्चन पूछो. If you have any doubt, then please let me know. How will I get to know?
Hello sir, I have a doubt.
हाँ,
Sir,
बताइए.
what is difference between screeners and a screener? मतलब मुझे थोड़ा तो पता है बट एक बार
नहीं
फिर
नहीं
भी आप
वो
बता.
अरे सिंक्रोनस एसिंक्रोनस बाद में बात करेंगे. वो टॉपिक कुछ हो रहा है. इससे रिलेटेड कोई डाउट है?
नहीं, इससे रिलेटेड तो नहीं.
वो हाँ, सुनील.
Who will handle this problem, developer or administrator?
No, definitely we are like problem will get to client, onshore client, then onshore is sending back to us. Like onshore is yeah, so we need to handle this problem. ठीक है, तो ये तो अपने को ही करना है ना resolve. Like if you stuck somewhere and all, then if you have some points where we can on which whatever the logic we are going to implement and everything, so we can tell them. Okay. Yep. So yeah, so किसी कोई क्वेश्चन है यहाँ पे?
In